Welcome back to our update for Open guys for today. The price hit our target right around the 7:30 and pulled back as we discussed last week on Friday. If you didn't watch the video, guys, remember to rewatch it because it's give you a bit of an indication where actually the short sellers are. We're going to discuss them today again, where they are and where the price will reverse again. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is just for educational purposes and we only we not provide any financial advice, so always do you due diligence before you put your money on the line. So first of all, guys, let us discuss Open because right now is pulling back a bit. You see what's happened? We hit the 7:30. Last time we discussed Open was few days ago. Before we hit this level, we talk about Open. We said the 740. It is the profit and the top profit of course and resistant level for Open. Guess what? Today the market opened. We hit the 730 before the 740 and we pulled back down. And as you see here, this is normal because as you can look here, we have a huge overextension and we have a really good trend. The white line, we still hold over it. So even if we pull back, it might be good for a reversal from there. So I'm watching this reversal zone. Before we continue Open, guys, we have to discuss OCTO, the only stock that jumped 4,000% this year. We didn't have any stock jumping 4,000% for a while, and this one crazy. It broke all the record. It broke everything. So if you never traded before, guys, I've been trading for years, and this one is actually broke all the rules because it's continued to go higher. And of course, we discussed this stock before the market opened. Once it was, let me just show you. This just happened in pre-market a few hours ago. The price was around the $5, and we said this is a resistant profit taken. Then we said the 6 and the 8 is the other profit taken. Then we update around the $8. We said the 10 and then the 13, the other profit taken. We took profit there. Our 100 took profit there. And last one, we discussed the top profit taken around the 22 and we broke it. And then we did a last update here for our hunters for OCTO around this level. We said the 57 and then the 87. And let me just show you what's happened right now. Right now we are around the 57. We tested around the 60 and now we halted down. We were halted up and now we going down because we tested the top level as we discussed early on Discord and Patreon. If you're wondering, guys, how you have access to those updates, the link comes section below to our Discord and Patreon where we discuss those stocks. In the meantime, let us go back to Open because right now is pulling back drastically and there's a chance for a reversal, guys. As you can see, there's a huge chance for a reversal over the 6 or around the $6 that we expect a big buyer, because if we went there, we might have a drop of almost 10%, 9% reversal zone. So I will watch for this dip, guys. Right now it might happen for Open. If we had, it will be a really great dip for entry for a reversal. And of course after that we have the 535 and the $5 as a reversal zone as well for a dip reversal, because as you can see here we have extension for Open and now we have a correction around those levels. And as you see here, this white line will act as a support. If we even broke this white line, we need to have a huge wick, then reversal up for Open, because right now it look really juicy for a dip, guys. So I'm watching for this dip reversal. As long as we hold this level of support, is mean we have a big buyer is still there. We have to confirm that the buyer is still there. Why, you might ask? If we have the big buyer, is mean the price will continue to go up the next time. If we don't have the big buyer, is mean the short will take this opportunity to short Open down, and this is will be not correction but trend reversal from the bullish to a bearish. But so far so good. We pulling back. We're still holding the 590 and even over the $5 is mean we're still good for a reversal, because as we said before, the $7.30 and the $8, it is a critical zone for Open, so we're expecting a pullback. So this is really normal, guys, that we have this kind of pullback for Open. We don't have to compare Open with OCTO. This is one of the stock that jumped 3,000%, but Open is kind of normal that we have kind of consolidation up and down, and after a few weeks of consolidation up and bullish momentum up, we have a correction down to refuel. So for open, is as long as we hold, as we said, the 590 or around the $6 will be great for today. If we pull back, even the $535 would be really great, as long as we hold. Just remember, guys, as long as we hold this red box, is mean we are bound to have a huge reversal after that toward the 730 and then the 8 and almost the $10. We're going to discuss open early on tomorrow before the market opened by 30 minutes on our YouTube, and before that for the live streaming, of course, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. The link comment section below, guys, if you want to have early access where we hunt for the stocks before the market open, because OCTO was one of the stocks that jumped really drastically in the pre-market. The best entry was in the pre-market, guys. Right now it's kind of overextended and a bit dangerous to enter around those level, around the 67. And imagine the stock was around the $3, guys. This is really crazy, and this is not the last time that we're gonna have those kind of stocks, but there's a trend going on right now. A lot of stocks right now have a huge momentum, and we saw this kind of momentum happening back last year and the year before, with HKD and other stocks jumping like this 2000%. But this one is actually did the best 4,000% on just 158 million. Usually those stocks that jumping like this have more than that, and HKD actually broke all the rules because it jumped with just 1 million worth of volume. So this is really crazy. So everything is possible in stock market. And of course, this is not the last, because we might have another unicorn by tomorrow. So catch it with us tomorrow on our Discord and Patreon in pre-market. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow.